How to add pronouns to your Instagram profile. So adding pronouns to your Instagram profile is quite easy and simple. Before proceeding towards the video, you must update your Instagram app so that you can enjoy the latest features on it. For that, you can open the Play Store and search for Instagram app on the search bar. When you open it and see update button next to Instagram, then you have to tap on update and update your app. Once updated, you can easily launch the app and open it. Once you open, make sure that you have signed in on your Instagram applications account, and then proceed towards your profile feed by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. So once you get access to this profile feed, you will see the option of edit profile. Open it, and here is the option of pronouns. Select it, and you can easily add the pronoun here. You can also select the language, that is Spanish, Portuguese, French, German, and many more of your choice. You can add up to 4 pronouns to your profile. So adding pronouns on your profile help us or help people to know how to refer you. You can easily edit or remove them at any time, and if you wish to show to followers only, you can easily turn on. Otherwise, you can also toggle off, and followers and other people who are not the followers will also be able to see if you toggle off. So let's add the pronoun here. And you can select the tick mark icon at the top right corner of the screen. And as you can see, we have successfully added pronouns to our Instagram profile. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel.